this is Mani, and this is Rent IQ, our end-to-end ML pipeline for analyzing rental markets and helping users understand if they're paying a fair price. The script folder handles data pipelines. The data is stored into GCP buckets, and app is our inference service. But from there, we've built our ingestion pipelines. If we open fetch_census, this script pulls census data directly from the API and outputs a clean zip level data set for San Francisco. Fetch walk score. This one is set up to add walk score data about walkability. Finally, I set up our fast API inference layer, which is where our trained model will eventually serve predictions through an API.
So building on Marnie's work, I focus on preparing and structuring the data for the modeling and the NL setup. Now we are working with the multiple large dataset like the zeros rand, which just come in wide ton series format. So the biggest work is cleaning and reshaping. Here's a sample after the cleaning data. And also I set up the NL flows to checking our experiment. And also this is the UI of the NL flow. I also set up a GCP VM environment and configure the NL flows for the experiment checking here.
Hi, this is Kyungwon, and my focus was designing the overall system and making sure everything fits together as a scalable pipeline. We structured this as a flow from data ingestion to processing to feature engineering, then into modeling, and finally deployment through the API. I also work on estimating the cloud cost so we can understand what it would take to run this pipeline in production, including storage, compute for training, and API serving. And finally, while our apartment.com scraping pipeline is still in progress, the system is already designed so that once listings data comes in, it can plug directly into the existing pipelines and flow through the entire system. So overall, now we have a full MLOps foundation from data ingestion and cleaning to experiment tracking and deployment, ready to support rental pricing, modeling, and analysis. Thank you.